All right, we got a great question in one of our discords from Sean. If you're not in this discord, there's hundreds of people in here, great investors. But Sean asked, has anyone ever experienced getting an easement? I'm not sure where to begin. I've called a few neighbors to ask about the property, and I don't think that it's in question that one of them would grant me easement. So pretty much what Sean's going through right now, he does not have access to his property. He got a purchase agreement back. He got a property under contract. The first thing you need to do is make sure you're buying this like it's a landlocked property. There's no access to this property, so you cannot be paying more than you should be paying for this property. So I have a great example here for you in Oklahoma. This is a 60 acre property with a great lake in the middle of the property, a great pond in it, but it's landlocked, right? It's a beautiful property. This is a great situation to be in, honestly, because it is so close to the road, right? So the first thing I would do, make sure you're buying it, obviously, for a discounted price, like I said. The second thing I do is go to the nearest road right here to the east of the property. You can see this is, I'm not even going to try to say that road, but I would go to Janet Blake, right? This is 10 acres right here. I would go to her. We can almost pay retail for this. If we're buying this landlocked property for such a discount, we can probably pay 70-80% for this 10 acres and still come up and double our money, or even more than double our money. This is a great situation to be in.